Sira tulina mwana mulenzi yabadde mu kisiibo. Grenade abadde asiba ne chaliwe na dimu.
What's grenade yani amanya?
Grenade.
Saifu. Nenga musiramu kyonna.
Nenga musibo kino nga kasawumu kakuvuga speed no mwala akuchawa taba mwangu. Nga grenade agadde omwana no changa mugamba grenade bichi bambi
yali asetolinga Omukazi
very abadde yakafuna kamami nagamba kankwasize wano obrise tugenda uli anti mami amukasukidde bikuntu ebwe neserebu wafa kubazi show nenga mbo babalimba kumbe byabadde bitufu bambi ba separating away from simanya kase ebintu ebyo bibawo mutuleke na moye tutuuka ku gundi ono grenade yakubiddeko kasimu.
Grenade actually twamufunye, we have a reaction, not a phone deliberate. Yawe gambe waliwo ebimu amawuli.
Tuli mu kisiba batalina kuba nnyo munne.
Naye mfunye esimu in narrating all that is happening around Grenade. First of all, Grenade yafuna omukyalo ono. Omukyalo ono she's African American. Ali mu Oluwarabu no ate mu America. So she's more based in the US. Now they come they date.
Bambi na setolinga musira.
They come they date with Grenade. We ba dating ne Grenade naddayo ebweru.
Naleka kasebo. Ngalachimanya bola bakanoonya. Otyo.
Kati mukasebo yamulekera omukozi munju gye badde basulamu ne kazinuwe
wamuchotala. Otyo.
Mbo one day omukozi abaye bino byemakula
otyo
nagwa kwa juju ebintu ebiringa emandwa nga biri wansi mu buliri omwala namukozi nabijjayo Grenade agenda okuddayo mu natabisangayo nakalakasa nnyo naera namala namugamba omanyi fe abayimbi tutambulira ku gundi tulina okwewanga abaloga bangi nnyo emanda bitambula bingi nnyo nti now the next scenario was Grenade agenda akomawo nga
yeye mukozi wakugamba ekintu ku mukyala wo yinzo kikiriza
tomalera gakikiriza
mulondola
naye ati story
asobolologo mwana omu
boyagalo jiwulira njajje kuwasebo nga tonnaba
nga tuvudde ku show
so Grenade goes to masa wawo yakomawo mbu nga yenna akankana alinga alina gikumbe ndoza ayina bye bamutaddemu n'agamba omukazi yali akomyewo omukazi omuzungu mukazi yali anga mankutwale mudwali no Grenade nagamba nedda don't take me njagenda mukyalo birabika bya kika mukazi nga akangende nawo mukazi nga tugende na mukazi Grenade nagamba nedda bijja kukwata
mbonno oba yali abafera muntu we
nga bagende Masaka
wenda babasaba n'aba America bekoza
omanye Masaka eyo esimu zino zitrackinga zino esimu zemukwata omuntu akutrackinga omukazi ono nga Grenade agenda bamujanja bawona omukazi nga trackinga ziyabadde ngagenda yokku nga abuliriza nti yabawana miliyoni mu kitundu mabulire ekituufu biki ebibadde ku ground
ne lwacho ne by the way nsonyo okusala ekiri ngamba abantu mba muli mulavu tolondola nnyo munno
tomulondola nnyo ne bwaba
kumanya byotayina I believe we can be in love never mbasi kugambye ekintu that means it's part of my
katorado omukazi okola ekyo bali bamugambye abawala nti no gundi n'ebintu ebyo byabadde akula twamusangako n'ebintu ebiti naye natugamba byagundi naye batugambye bidire kati jukira omukazi musiramu she had to get investigative
ya musiramu lanno
kazi yali alina okugetting into deep source amanyi ddala what's happening
mbonga atidde nnyo
eyo ne bamugamba nti beyawa miliyoni bamugamba omusajja abadde ayagala ekisooka kubanga endongo etambula vere
bambi kasebo
ekyokubiri nti naawe akukwatira awo Arnold AK promotion
nengo yaba musawo ddala yagera ebyama bya munne kyogamba
sibasawo family
yatuka ku kyalo n'alangirira mwere omukazi yamusi
yatuka ku kyalo
tagalanga we babyogera
n'anoonyereza abamu ku related
mnete owuliriza nga omuntu akyaye munne
very good kakati awo yali ensibuko naye kati ensibuko yennyini nti omukazi agenda blockinga Grenade amugamba it's over move on Grenade amukubira amasimu aga blockinga n'akyusa essimu over 36 phones omukazi kyakola nga akwata ezo zonna the 36 phones abadde akyusa nga ziteeka mu WhatsApp group emu nga bagamba mmwe mwenna temuddamu okunkubikoze Grenade mugambe taddamu okunkubira akozesa ye ya Tash nakozesa ya Bremi nakozesa ya Eke nakozesa okitega temuddamu okunkubira Grenade ku insistinga nga era omukazi nga byamunyiziza n'atukano nti ekyasinze omukulako waya there is a Grenade came omukazi namusanga jukira yali amugobe wakatodda bwamusanga namugamba tuddemu mulavu n'agezaako n'omukwata by force ngabo nkwata omukazi n'agenda n'alopa report reference weri n'amulopa nti abadde ayagala mukozesa ebyo byonna. That was on Saturday, that's when she made the report. Olunaku olwaleero kye baŋŋambyeko Grenade had to report okwegenda okwewozaako okuwa side of the story which she did appear. So that is briefly as much as it is, and this is what is transpired. So kompeba egundi eyo conversation. Yeah, so that's your romance.
Yeah.
I know this is overwhelming and intimidating. The sender you douse, the tables have turned. Your punishment will be harsh. I can't feel sorry for you. Your people were involved in their despicable acts. You guys should be ashamed. You're supposed to be a man and not go cry to evil enemies and plot against me. One by one, you all failed, all 5. And out of 5, 1 betrayed the family just for 1.5 million shillings. You are a liar, a cheater, a sex addict. I can't believe you would even try and dare do these things that they said to me. I have to laugh. You're obsessed, possessed. You sing love songs for ladies, but like charming them. When things don't go your way, you start acting like Lucifer. Do you want to eliminate people? You want people getting hit by cars? You want to block people's love, money, life? You want to steal from others, people's blessings and luck, and give it all to yourself because you don't have your own? You need to grow up and not blame yourself, but blame your parents. Please, please, please get this through your head. I am happy you left. I don't want to date you. I don't want to see you. I don't even want to hear your fake British accent. I don't want to hear your cheap crying. At this very moment, you could be in the village with the rat. Leave me alone. You believe in witchcraft. I am tired of you. Go sing a song. You can't lie to me. You're a homosexual. Go have sex for men for money. You're so desperate. You would kill your own son for money. Why I don't that with you? It's like, but can we? I see you. I love you. These are the only words. I ask you something serious, and you say the same 3 things.
So those are some of the conversation. It's so, but of course, one thing I realized, I'm yet to find out certainly.
Sometimes
Birimu love. Yeah. Birimu love. And I think
like for what? Did he go tell like yagenda gamba?
And especially when things are coming after.
Do you believe in black magic?
Yeah, there is African, not black magic, but there is African chemistry. African chemistry is there. Yeah, where there is light, there is darkness.
What if you are a prayerful person?
Maybe they are. Yeah, but I think there is love.
Love is that. I feel love does exist.
Kubanganze where you get there, I know why you get there. You were cheater, you were sex addict. All of these come to the fact in Arabika yayenze.
Sometimes trust me.
Yeah. But at least for the first time, Grenade Abada Setulinze.
Very.
He had found really a very incredible woman. And I know this could stabilize. Certainly. Grenade actually is hard in a conversation is playing for the lady. Mami, don't go. don't guys still love you. This is all false. You're not even gamba, you know. Not everyone is happy. Yeah,
ate obango yagala munne ebigambo soko like tolondola for what? Kabere mwami ngolondola mukyala wo. Buuze if I don't tell you maybe take your time, but why would you follow someone's phone? Otuke jaino okubanga agenda.
Exactly.
Maybe tell me I want to go with you. Nenze wonondola mukwano. Nchimanyi sina kyembakola kibi but that's
house girl oba kyali kyamwegwana.
Okitegere tsano banga kiwayiriza man, like if you're working for someone lwaki oba olete ebigambo for what? Do your job.
But Brunette has been through harsh and pain.
I wamma okubako omwana omutongo ina jokola beda n'empisa toyina kusala kigambo kuba boss go like
Katsoka tulire Brunette as he pleads for the love of his life.
I know. No,
tell me, because if you don't tell me.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I do love you with all my heart. You put all my feelings in your hands. You can do anything without touching me. You can hurt me without touching me. You can do anything without touching me. You can.
I hope you know that.
But Heidi, I'm being real to you. Anyway, there's nothing I can swear on, and you trust me because you think I'm a liar on everything that's.
You know what's wrong?
I will never wish anything bad for you.
Pull me.
Heidi, I'll never, because the truth is I do love you, Heidi. Remove me in mute. Don't put me in mute. Don't mute me. No, please.
Listen, when you start when you start sounding like a fake.
If you speak with your people, you can leave the phone on because I'm not gonna come in.
Why are you crying?
You may slap me, but trust me, I will speak to you. Even if you have a fight with me, but we'll talk. I'll speak to you.
Whatever you need to say to me, you can tell me. You can tell me on the phone.
Okay, I do. If we are not meant to be together, we're not gonna be together, and we won't be together.
Sybil. You told me you don't want to be with me. You told me your family doesn't want you to be with me.
Listen to me, okay? Listen to me. But I don't want people to lie to you.
You want me to be specific? You want me to be specific?
You don't wanna scare me?
Because you're that's what you think. But the person that's scaring you is your own blood, because money controls them. That's a fact. And let me tell you something. When I was there, they even showed me your mom was cooking matoke in the fumbiro outside.
Are you laughing about that?
I am laughing at it, because if these greedy people of yours didn't want money, I would never know. But thank God they betrayed you, and they told me, and now I know, and now I will never see you or even get next to you. Never ever in my life. Even when you come to the gate, the sky. You don't live and act right anymore. Why are you crying?
Okay, one thing I will tell you, there is also like authenticating information that you've paid for. That you cannot go to the village and you give anybody 1.5. That's the much she gave for that information.
They betrayed you. By the time I betray, I'm not your friend.
Yes.
That means I can say anything. Exactly. I can manipulate anything onto you. So
because you remember, but you told me even my mama doesn't want to see you. You said you don't want to be with me. So you said at one point, they had a fight like any other lovers, and people closest the bus garanga bus starting. So this is a love issue. naye
mulimu abantu avayo nasekerera grenade nenga nawe bali bakuchaye kwa actually nga bibinyo so teri muntu gwe batachaye
naye nze advice enjo okuwa oyo omukyala is going to lose a real ayinza ofira akachali akalungi ayinza ofira akachali akalungi nga house girl ne cousin bakazini bano bayinza obba omusajja okitegeera house girl ne cousin oyo balayika okuba akavubuka kabadde kambula esaati ne kayimira ku balcony bwe kati ne keegolola mu house girl n'alaba birala nnyo ekyali ku Joseph mu Bible bwagaana kanagamba wayi kankuzikirize okitegeera oŋŋaanya okompumpa ebyalo byo okitegeera so think twice don't judge him so harshly. The grenade I know is
family, if as your friends are kogera ko chibi. By the time when kuwela because of money, I'm Judas.
And someone can duplicate information. Let me tell you, Uganda, desperate as we are, nebo sanga kayikuzi no mugamba nkwaka kadde kamumpa grenade. Or you know kuomesa embos grenade. Guru. That guy.
I know.
Oyinza okumuomesa embos. Not take up the evidence because you have been paid. Now we told him.
Like, how can you do that? Basically, for 1.5, however broke you are, however you feel your wavu gunuma, you don't do that.
So, Brunette and the lava, we wish you all the best for to call a wafi. I know one way was Tanyuma Kola, but two know Zikola to Sasuza at one point. But the advice would you, first of all, handle your things out of police, out of media. And you will see there is always light at the end of the tunnel.
I follow. Don't follow your lovers. You omuntu obata oyinacho ogamba nti mwekengerako kino. Sit me down and tell me Tash, chiri chitia. If I love you, I would tell you openly. But check out my simbi.